Hey, Steve DeHunt here in Chesterfield Township on a project that I actually got to see being built originally, and 5 years later we're back to repair it. What you're going to see is a very large elevated patio in Chesterfield. We actually did the job next door. Long story short, this project we saw go in and it wasn't proper. So we were called out by the new homeowners. The homeowners next door had recommended us to build this. Knowing what we knew, we already knew that we had to take the whole project down, dig it all out, and obviously rebuild the whole thing. Also, with this property that we're looking at, it's the lowest point of all the other houses. They were all able to build up, so this property flooded constantly as well. Water mitigation is extremely important when it comes to building, especially when you're building a hard surface or a hard scape project. So we knew that going in. Unfortunately for the new homeowners, I had to break the bad news and say that, there's no way to actually fix this but to take it all down and dig it out. There were no geoties, there were no pins, no clear stone, no drain tile, nothing for this huge patio that you're about to see. Just essentially just stacked on top of one another with glue. So we took all this down, rebuilt it all, dug it all out, hauled out 5-6 semis worth of spoils, and we brought in 21 AA. We brought in a ton of clear stone, almost a semi of clear stone. We hard piped the back, got all the drainage proper for the back, and relayed this whole thing. This project was upwards back when they had it done. $60,000, $70,000, and we had to take the whole thing down. Very disheartening when you hire the wrong contractor, especially when you hire a landscaper or a new hardscaper. It's extremely important to hire somebody that has staying power, somebody that is actually going to do the right thing no matter what, and has been doing it long enough to experience these types of projects and see these types of projects and know how to fix them, evaluate them, and build them so they don't happen again. Thank you for watching this video.